Good morning, dear children. In last class, we learned the first three paragraphs of the lesson, the Arab and the camel. Today, we will be continuing the rest of the lesson. Okay?
Mustafa and his camel were once caught in a sandstorm. The sand blew in all directions, and Mustafa, leading his camel, could hardly see where he was going. Suddenly, the storm was over. A great calmness and stillness came over the desert. Mustafa rubbed the sand out of his eyes and looked around. There was no sign of the other nomads.
Mustafa and his camel they have started crossing the desert. By the time they have trapped in the sandstorm, he doesn't know what to do. They were totally trapped. They have lost their directions. All of a sudden, the storm was over. There was a kind of calmness and silence in the desert. Mustafa rubbed the face and removing the sand from his eyes. And he looked around, but he couldn't see any of his friends.
I fear we have lost sight of our brothers, said Mustafa to his camel. Very good, thought the camel to himself. Now I will not be forced to carry more and more luggage.
He was afraid. Who was afraid? Mustafa. Why? Because he lost his friends. But the camel was very happy. Why he was very happy? Because he was not sincere to his master. The camel, who is clever, saying, I am quite free by carrying all this luggage.
The sun set and night fell. Mustafa put up his tent for the night. The night was very cold. Mustafa was warm and cozy in his tent. Cozy means snug or comfortable.
By the time the sun set and night fall, he has made a tent, and inside the tent he was sleeping. And he was comfortable inside the tent, and he was not facing any difficulties in the night time.
Said the camel, feeling very annoyed because his blanket had been lost in the storm and he was feeling very cold. Huh, why should I freeze? I am the one who works all day. I should get a place in the tent. Here, annoyed means angry.
The camel was struggling outside, and he was talking to himself, why should I freeze? See, why should I bear this cold? I am the one who works the whole day. So it's my right to get a place in the tent.
The camel woke Mustafa from his sleep. My head is very cold. May I put it inside the tent? He asked very politely. Old Mustafa was a kind man.
Camel called Mustafa from his sleep. Even though outside it was very cold, but inside the tent it was very much warm. So he was sleeping nicely inside the tent. Outside, the camel was fighting with cold, and the camel was feeling some kind of irritations. So he called Mustafa and asked, Master, may I put my head inside the tent? Because outside there is too much cold.
Yes, you may, he said, and turned around and went to sleep. A little later, the camel called, It is so cold. My long neck is becoming sore. I will get a sore throat. May I put my neck inside the tent? Huh, grunt. Yes, yes, said Mustafa. He rolled over and went back to sleep. Still later, the camel complained of the cold and brought his two front legs into the tent. Mustafa had to move to one side of the tent to make place for the camel. The camel complained bitterly about the cold. Soon his body was inside the tent. It was very crowded in the tent. The tent was meant for only one person. Mustafa was almost outside the tent and the camel was almost fully inside the tent.
The master told to the camel, "Yes, you can." The camel asked the next question. He asked the master, "May I put my neck inside the tent? Because I am getting too much cold outside the tent." Again the master told, "Yes, why not? You can put your neck inside the tent, no problem." The camel asked the next question to the master. "Master, I am freezing outside. May I put half of my body inside the tent?" Again the master gave permission to the camel. After an hour, camel again asked, "I am getting too much cold now. Please, master, may I come inside the tent? I cannot bear the cold. Please let me come inside the tent." The master gave permission to the camel to come inside the tent.
Hey, give me some place, said old Mustafa, waking up. The camel, as I said, was cleverer than Mustafa. You are almost out of the tent, and I am almost inside it. It will be easier if you sleep outside and I sleep inside the tent, said the camel. With that, the camel pushed himself into the tent and Mustafa went out of the tent. Poor old Mustafa had to sleep out in the cold night air, while his camel was warm and cozy inside the tent.
Finally, Mustafa became outside and this clever camel became inside the tent. Poor Mustafa went outside the tent. Now what happened? Ultimately, the camel was sleeping inside the tent and poor old Mustafa has to wait outside bearing the cold night. So children, did you get the story? Summary of the lesson: The Arab and the Camel. While crossing the desert, they were trapped in a sandstorm. They couldn't know the way to go. At night, they made a tent in the desert. It was too cold in the desert. The master went inside and the camel waited outside the tent. While waiting outside the tent, the camel came across so many questions to his mind. After an hour, the camel came inside and called Mustafa and asked many questions to him. Mustafa was a kind man and he gave a place for the camel inside the tent. At last, the camel pulled out the poor man from the tent and he rested inside the tent. But the poor old Mustafa had to sleep out in the cold night air. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. God bless you all.